if I were in the Columbus Metro, and I am here. So this is what I'm watching right now. Urbana, Bellefontaine, Marysville, Plain City, Delaware County. These storms are severe right now with, you can see some of the stats, Champaign, Clark, Miami, Montgomery counties till 9:45. But 1-inch diameter hail, so quarter-sized hail with these storms and 60-mile-an-hour winds. That's what you can expect in Marysville, Plain City, London, Delaware, and then likely, if they hold together, here in Fairfield, in Franklin County, and then maybe eventually down in Fairfield County. But yeah, so Columbus, that's basically your future right there, and it's sitting to the west. Now behind it, you see all of this, that's all heavy rain potential. So my thinking all evening was that what's going to happen with this initial line of thunderstorms? And we're seeing this is where most of the energy is. This is where most of the juice is. These are the severe thunderstorms right now. And here's our other radar sources. We've got the one leftover tornado warning here for another few minutes. And then there's your severe thunderstorm warning. These are the storms that are taking aim at Columbus here within probably the next half an hour or 40 minutes or so. And then behind it, you've got a lot of additional thunderstorms, but these are heavy rain producers. The severe weather's right here. It's on the initial side of all this. And again, it's closing slowly on the Columbus area. So looking at this, you see all this green, this is all sort of bleed over. It's not all reaching the ground, but these storms, these are the main event right here. These are all the main events. And we're going to put a little track on this and see what we show for the ETA into Columbus, if everything holds together. So let's see, we got Marysville at 9:36, so another 16 minutes. Let's see, London, Powell, 9:55, 9:56, Columbus at about 10:10, or roughly somewhere right in there. All right, we were going to go, and we're going to be right back. I'm meteorologist Chris Tomer. I want to bring you an update on our line of severe thunderstorms that are moving across central Ohio. We're here just to keep you updated and to keep you safe. You're not going to miss any of the game. We've got a track on. This is the future for Columbus right here. These storms, there's Columbus, severe thunderstorms right there. You can see the track takes it in towards Powell, Harmony, Urbana, and Columbus at around 10:15. Justin, let's go up to the tornado warning here, up in the north. This is what's left. This red box of the tornado warning, still radar indicated, but it's going to expire. It's going to be allowed to expire because the storm is changing its shape, and it's going to be moving into this orange box, which is a severe thunderstorm warning. So it's losing the tornadic signatures, and it's just becoming what we would call a severe thunderstorm with hail and high winds. So that's happening as we speak. So the storm is just taking on a different shape, and you can see what we're looking at for the severe thunderstorm warning as it moves into Coshocton here, possibly just riding that 36 line towards Highway 77. But if you are in this red box right here, just know that you still have a couple of minutes left on that tornado warning there, and they're the ETAs. You've got Tequila, Conesville, Coshocton's in there. Let's see, Coshocton at 9:42. Nellie at 9:30, these are all arrival times for that storm cell. And again, still this red box is your tornado warning. It's radar indicated. We haven't heard anything or any confirmation of anything on the ground, but at this point the storm shape is changing. It's going to be more of a high wind producer and more of a hail producer than anything else. It's sort of lost the rotation. And you can see now it's approaching the transition point where it's going to move into this severe thunderstorm warning box. So if you're in Coshocton, get ready for that. If it holds together, you're going to get hit with some high winds and likely some hail. Now behind it, heavy rain, different complexion. This is all heavy rain behind it. It's the initial line right here that I've been worried about all day that's going to be the most energetic. Columbus, probably about 10:15. These storms, which are severe near Marysville, Bellefontaine, Urbana, those are going to be moving in your direction. You're going to be heading in, it's going to be moving right into the Columbus area. So we'll keep you updated from here, and again, we're going to get you back to the game. All right, we are back here on the stream, and we are watching the last few minutes of this tornado warning here in red. This is up. The storm cell crossed the Mount Vernon area, and it's got a few minutes left on this warning box. But the storm cell itself, and where you see the pink, that's the most intense area. That's likely going to be where we're We're seeing the strongest wind. It's changing its shape. It's now moving into a severe thunderstorm warning environment, and so they're gonna drop the tornado warning here very shortly, Justin.
Yeah, that's set to expire at 9:30. So honestly, much of that remaining tornado warning area is out of that threat. Maybe the far southeastern corner still seeing that very small chance in southeastern Knox County, but really this is transitioning.
Peter Piper baked a pack of pickled peppers, but the process was painful. So he ordered the supplies he needed from Amazon Business.
Peter Piper baked peppers for